Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a refrigerator door in a very simple way. All you need to do is remove 2 screws and then gently pull the door off. It's that easy. First, locate the 2 screws that are holding the door in place. These are usually found at the top and bottom hinges of the door. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the door away from the refrigerator. And that's it, you're done. I hope you found this quick tip useful. If you did, please support my YouTube channel, Vietnamese channel.